quite a while that I have heard such divisive opinions about a film and I have actually wanted to hear both sides क्योंकि film में ही इतना एक experimentation है of style, of substance that you want to know कि okay, people who love it, people who don't like it, what are they thinking? Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Jigra. जिगरा का हाइप पहले से ही काफ़ी था, especially after you see the trailer and you see the kind of story they're bringing to life, you're going to be interested, you're going to at least be intrigued or curious कि okay, ये story कहाँ जाने वाली है. And that is why when I walked into the theater to watch Jigra, I was quite excited to see what Vasan Bala and Alia Bhatt and Vedang Raina are going to bring to the screen this time. इस फिल्म को लेके काफ़ी mixed reactions देखे हैं मैंने पिछले कुछ घंटों में, but I'll be honest, I'll have to say कि I'm in the part of the people who really actually enjoyed this film. ठीक है, हम काफ़ी बार कहते हैं कि content स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है तो फिल्म स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, राइटिंग अच्छी होती है तो फिल्म अच्छी होती है, बट देन देयर आर दोस रेयर फिल्म्स जहां पे ये जो कन्विक्शन है कैन अ लिटिल बिट ओवरपावर दैट सेंटिमेंट. Jigra is quintessential Vasan Bala and he loves neo-noir and that you can see in Monica Oh My Darling as well. यहाँ पे stylistically भले ही फिल्म अलग है, it's still pretty firmly set in that genre. जो dreamy sequence है, जो crime world में इसकी setting है, all of that is playing to that genre. And Vasan Bala, since he knows this genre so well, has clearly manufactured a film that is so engaging to watch अगर आप visual design की तरफ देखने जाए तो. And Alia Bhatt as the lead Satya is a force of nature in Jigra. पहले ही सीन से जहाँ उनका ओपनिंग शॉट जो है, you're already mesmerized. सत्या का जो कैरेक्टर है, she is most deeply connected actually to the audience. क्योंकि around everyone else she has a sort of a mask. हर इंसान के साथ she behaves a certain way, but we are the only people who get to see Satya when she is quote unquote alone in the film. Satya का main character जो arc है, that is that she would do anything to protect her brother Ankur, played by Vedang Raina. बचपन से ही शी हैज़ बिन स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एज अ शील्ड. वो कोई छोटी सी बुरी बात हो, कोई झगड़ा हो या कुछ बहुत बड़ा हो जाए, शी इज़ ऑलवेज स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, प्रोटेक्टिंग हिम. और ये जो कैरेक्टर का कन्विक्शन है, ब्रेवरी है, करेज है, ऑल ऑफ इट इज पोर्ट्रेड ब्रिलियंटली बाय आलिया भट्ट. एंड विद इन दैट वी ऑल्सो सी द स्ट्रैंड्स ऑफ ग्रीफ. स्टोरी जो बेसिकली ये है कि अंकुर हैज ऑलवेज बीन अंडर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ हिज सिस्टर, बट एट सम पॉइंट व्हेन ही लीव्स फॉर अ बिजनेस ट्रिप ही एंड्स अप इन अ फॉरेन जेल एंड एंड्स अप इन अ वेरी वेरी बैड सिचुएशन. और अब उसकी सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी एज यूजुअल सत्या पे आ गई है, इवन दो दिस इज अ सिचुएशन दैट इज वे फार बियॉन्ड हर मीन्स, बट दैट डजंट स्टॉप हर. And it really also helps that Vedang Raina as Ankur is also doing a phenomenal job. There are some sequences where he's not even there with Alia Bhatt, it's just his solo sequences where you truly get to see the skill that he has. So ये जो film है, the writing especially doesn't give you a lot of in-depth exploration into these characters and their relationships, so the acting had to be very very good for it to be believable. Jigra is set in a Southeast Asian country and that does two things. पहली बात तो ये कि हमें अलग अलग languages सुनने को मिल रहे हैं and it helps you kind of zero in on a location that is somewhere in the vicinity of Singapore or Malaysia. And second, these languages act kind of like a barrier for the audience in the sense that you will have to keep reading the subtitles and it might alienate some people. However, I did not find that to be an issue. For me, the scenes where Alia Bhatt's character Satya is frantic क्योंकि उसे चीज़ें लोग बोल रहे हैं in a language she doesn't understand while she's desperately trying to get to her brother are some of the most visceral scenes in the film. There's also a part where people are listening to instructions being translated to them, which is essentially telling them how their life in prison is going to go, and it's again a very haunting sequence. And I love the way that Vasan Bala has used this language barrier and the different languages in the film itself. There's also the little detail where we see कि दो लोग हैं जिनसे सत्या मिलती है in this foreign land and both of them have been here longer than she has, but in one person's use of the colloquial la we find out that both of them have had quite different experiences in this country. The two people in question are Bhatia ji, played by Manoj Pawa, and Muthu, played by Rahul Ravindran. Manoj Pawa as a presence on screen is so calming. As soon as I saw him on screen, I just felt this comfort radiating off of him. Rahul Ravindran also does a pretty good job in Jigra, and it's also these two actors key acting which makes their relationship with Satya stand out in the film. And this is just a common thread, I think. The actors are so good that the relationships are becoming convincing. क्योंकि Jigra में अगर एक problem है, that is the screenplay, that's the writing. It is just not strong enough. कई जगह पे you find yourself wondering how is this logically happening, or okay, if this is happening, if this action is being taken, इसके consequences हमें देखने को कब मिलेंगे या कैसे मिलेंगे, और how did A come to B, how did this change happen? And sure, you could suspend disbelief, but उसके लिए you would need that strong of a script, which does not happen here. एक और चीज जो इस फिल्म को बचा सकती थी, or that would have covered up these flaws, would have been excellent time design. In a film that often shows you shots of clocks to kind of tell you that हाँ time बहुत कम है, even with all of these enemies around them, the main thing they're fighting is वक्त. ऐसी फिल्म में टाइम डिजाइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट यहाँ पे टाइम डिजाइन इज अ लिटिल लैकिंग. Despite all of that, Jigra is still a pretty good cinema viewing experience, क्योंकि I'll have to admit I was silently sobbing by the end of it because it got me. Also the visuals. I don't know how many of you know of a video game called Stray, but that's what this feels like, and it's one of those games that I genuinely could not stop playing because of how beautiful it was, and that is true for Jigra as well. जो light or shadow or sounds का play है in Jigra is genuinely so well done and really well designed. The way that the gullies are used of the setting, even the drone shots that we see are just so well designed कि the entire time you're like okay जो हो रहा है ये setting बहुत बढ़िया use किया है. The film, however, is not all style and no substance. There is substance, and most importantly we see the idea of family. Satya and Ankur का जो relationship है almost feels at one point like she's smothering him, but also for them family means sacrifice, means affection, means standing by each other. But for their distant relatives who they live with and Satya works for, family means something quite different. Family for them is defined by who gets agency and who gets choice. क्योंकि एक सीन में अंकुर को एक choice दी जाती है, but he knows and we know that that is not a real choice that he has. क्योंकि उस choice के लिए जो उसको एक social standing चाहिए, जो social capital चाहिए, वो उसके पास नहीं है. Jigra also speaks of police brutality and revolution, and there are enough pieces of the puzzle to kind of fit together and realize कि maybe this is happening because the people in this country are living in a police state. We see how power dynamics come into play there as well. What the film lacks in its script, it sometimes makes up for in characterization. Indian cinema में हम कई बार male savior की बात करते हैं, the damsels in distress usually, or all other characters in the film just wait for the hero to have his hero's journey and come and save everyone. In Jigra, that trope is changed a little bit, and not just because we have a female lead. It takes the idea of a savior and changes it a little bit and genuinely just makes it better. In the sense that जो अंकुर का character है is not helpless because he can't do anything. He doesn't stand behind Satya क्योंकि उसको डर लग रहा है. He's never cowering behind her. He's not hiding because वो खुद कुछ नहीं कर सकता. He's staying there because he trusts Satya to keep him safe. This is trust more than fear. This is trust more than helplessness. The background score that could have seemed very hammy and overwhelming actually does not. It's quite foot tapping. I like how it is placed as well. There could have been a little bit more balance when it comes to like the louder notes, but that's okay. It's genuinely working for this film so far. And of course, this music composer Achint also again showing that he can truly just create magic with sound. इस पूरी फिल्म में सत्या इज गोइंग फ्रॉम कॉर्नर टू कॉर्नर, फ्रॉम पिलर टू पोस्ट, बस वो हाथ पैर मार रही है एनी वे टू जस्ट सेव हर ब्रदर. एंड यू सून रियलाइज कि ये फिल्म का फेट ऑल्सो रेस्ट्स on Alia Bhatt's shoulders. There are moments where you feel the belief kind of slip away, where you're relying on the actors to make sure that they still keep you hooked to the screen. And trust me, with this performance, Alia Bhatt delivers. Alia Bhatt makes you believe, and the entire time you're still rooting so hard for Satya and for Jigra. And that is why my rating for Jigra is 3 stars out of 5.